me this afternoon we've got a 2015 Vauxhall Astra petrol. That's as much as I know, and it's been recovered to us by the AA. It's crank, no start. Let's have a little look. Now the first thing I do with any vehicle is plug it in and have a little look, see what fault codes we've got, and we're getting no fault codes whatsoever. Now the first thing I did was have a little look at live data and measure, make sure that we've got engine RPM, we've got fuel in the tank, we've got pressure at the rail. We need to be checking whether we've got suck, squeeze, bang, blow. So first thing I did, pulled the coil pack out, as you see, like so. Pulled it out, did it the old conventional way, put a plug down it, earth it out, wind it over, no spark whatsoever. And then what I've done is pulled up a wiring diagram and I've gone through it, and we can have a little look that we've got the live for the ignition coil and the injectors are all on one fuse. So if we just have a little look there, pin A, if we go to number 1, check a connection to the ground, pin A, pulls it up, little multimeter on the side, it's pretty tiny and it tells you what it should be reading. So if we just get our multimeter now, obviously we've got an earth on the battery. If we go to pin A, which is that one there, we just touch them. I know you shouldn't be doing that, but I'm just going down the side of it, and we're getting 2.8 volts. And then what we need to be looking at is the fuse itself. Click on the fuse and then click location, and it'll tell you exactly where it is as it's highlighted green. Click on it, it'll tell you what it is. So that number 3 now, that is for the ignition coil. So if we come round, I'll use my power probe, which is this one here. We have a look, we've got live there, we've got an open circuit there, so that fuse is blown. So what I've done then is remove that blown fuse and put another 15 amp fuse in it, and then I've back probed into the loom for the coil pack. What we're going to do is watch this multimeter now. If that drops off, we know that the coil pack is faulty. There you go. You also heard the fuse popping as well. Now I have removed the coil pack and I am fairly confident to a point that I've ordered a brand new one for it. Now they're not uncommon to unfailing, so we'll just wait for the new one to turn up and we'll get it fired in. Now we've got the brand new coil pack which has turned up. Now let's get it put in, like so. Let's clamp them down. I am fairly confident and this is going to fix it. Bearing in mind we have got a new fuse in the fuse box, I'm just going to pop and put the ignition on, and you should see the ignition coming live there on the multimeter. Now what we're going to do is give this coil pack now a bit of a plug in and watch that voltage on the multimeter. There we go, that is on. Right, let's get on the key and let's see if it starts. Just mind me tools. Beautiful. And there you have it, that is one successfully diagnosed and repaired Vauxhall Astra. And we've also given underneath the bonnet a little bit of a cleaner rooney as well. It looks a little bit more presentable, make it look as if we've done something, because the part that I've changed you can't see it because it's underneath all the covers. But anyway, job's a good one. Let's get it sent.